Hello friends, this is Chaitrali Katke studying at Standard 10 at Vidya Pratishthan, New Bal Vikas Mandir, Pimpri. I stand before you to discuss the topic traces of evolutionary relationships. So let's get started. Here we can see two images. The first image is of the fossil of Rajasaurus and the second image is the fossil of Archaeopteryx. Evidences of evolution. Before going to this topic, I would like to ask you a question that when do we decide or when do we consider the two organisms evolved from the common ancestor? Yes, we decide when we observe some common features or some common characteristics in between both. So, it means that there should be some common features or some common characteristics so that we can consider or we can decide that they are evolved from the common ancestor. Now we'll be discussing about three important sources of evidences of evolution which states that evolution does exist. So let's get started. So some of the important sources which provide evidences for evolution are homologous organs, analogous organs, the last but not the least, fossils. Let's move to homologous organs. So what are homologous organs? Homologous organs are those which have same basic structure or same basic design but they perform different functions. There are many animals or there are many plants which all seem to be built from the same basic design. Now let us go to the examples of homologous organs. Examples of homologous organs are the forelimb of human, forelimb of cat, forelimb of whale and forelimb of bat. As the basic structure of forelimbs of humans, cats, whale and bat are same, but they perform different functions. So these organs reinforce the view that the living organisms have evolved from the common ancestors. As I already stated that whenever we have common characteristics or whenever we have common features in both the organisms or more than two organisms, it means that they have evolved from the common ancestor. Let's move to the second source, that is analogous organs. Analogous organs. Examples of analogous organs are the wings of bird and the wings of butterfly. Now, what are analogous organs? So those organs which have different basic structure but they have similar appearance, perform similar functions. They are called analogous organs, but they are totally vice versa to the homologous organs. That means they have different basic structure. So here we can state that they have different basic structure. So different structures of insects and birds are bird's wings are supported by a skeleton, flesh and feathers, whereas the insect's wings are made up of fold of membranes associated with a few muscles. Okay, so why analogous organs are considered to be one of the important source of evidence of evolution? Yes, they are considered as that because even if they don't have common basic structure, they have evolved from any particular ancestor because they have similar functions. So they have this similar functions have arisen because of the environmental change. So here we can say they have evolved because of some reasons. Now let us move to the last part, that is fossils. So fossils are the remains or impressions of dead animals or plants that lived in the remote past. So in the first part I showed you there is a image of Archaeopteryx. Now Archaeopteryx is a bird as well as reptile. We know that dinosaurs are the biggest reptile on the surface of the earth. So Archaeopteryx has feather wings like those of birds, teeth and tail like those of reptiles. Very interesting and very mysterious bird it is. So that's why Archaeopteryx is therefore a connecting link between reptiles and birds and hence suggests that birds have evolved from reptiles. Let us move to the various kinds of fossils. Various kinds of fossils are ammonite, trilobite and dinosaurs. These are the various kinds of fossils. So I would like to state some few words said by Charles Darwin. He said that the love for living creatures is the most noble attribute of man. So we should love living creatures. And I would like to thank my teacher Miss Dipali Ved Pathak for giving me such a golden opportunity. If you love the video, please like and share. Thank you.